since Liubiu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the Chinese tofu and preserved duck eggs salad. And the Chinese name is called 皮蛋豆腐. As the main ingredient, we need a piece of tofu. You can have any kind of tofu. It's any brand, any kind of tofu. It's okay. Can be firm or soft. It depends on you. If you want the firm tofu, you want the soft tofu. It's all up to you. We need 2 to 3 preserved duck eggs, and 2 scallion, and half yellow sweet onion. And those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. This scallion already peeled and washed it, and peel that skin and peel and wash it. So this scallion we will chop it. So we try to chop it as small as possible. So probably be like this. Here we cut this onion. We cut this onion from the middle. We just need a half. We don't need a lot, just a half. Cut this part off, and the bottom part off. Okay, this scallion we cut like this. Cut it as thin as possible. As thin as you can. So the scallion, so the onion we need to separate, be very thin. Just cut it. Yellow sweet yellow onion. Okay, we'll take care of the preserved duck eggs. The duck eggs we cut it package. And we knock it and get the shell off. Kind of like you peel a hard-boiled eggs. Just like you peel hard-boiled eggs. Be careful, try not to do it. This one's done. Repeat. After we peel the egg, we use cold tap water to rinse it to get the small shells off. Now we will cut it. Cut it from here, from the middle, into. Then we just cut it like this. And cut it like this. So maybe a small piece like this, and put it into the bowl. This is the preserved duck eggs. We get it, cut after cut it. Okay, cut the tofu, open the package. You drink the water in it. Okay, we get the tofu. Okay, we use water rinse it. Cold tap water rinse it. Okay, we cut the tofu. Cut tofu like this and first cut like this. Now we cut the tofu in the middle. This and cut it to a little this cube. This is the tofu we get. If you don't like the tofu that soybean taste, you can use hot water, boiling water to rinse in the tofu to get rid of that taste. This is the plain salt. We add half teaspoon plain salt to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the vinegar. You can add red vinegar, any vinegar. This is a Chinese vinegar. You can add any vinegar. It's up to. Add a half teaspoon vinegar to it. This is a chicken soup mixed mixture. You can add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. If you have it, add it. If you don't have it, so this is the peppercorn oil. That Chinese peppercorn oil. You can add some to it. If you have it, add it. If you don't have it, it's okay. You don't want fat. This is the sesame oil. If you have sesame oil, add a few drops of sesame oil. Don't add too much. This is the original chili oil. You can go to my YouTube channel to see how to make it. Or you can buy it from Asian store and store. They call it chili oil. You can add and we add 1 teaspoon of chili oil to it. Okay, now we use a chopstick to mix it. Don't worry to the tofu become smashed. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Just make it that all the flavors and go to the tofu and mix well. Now we try it. It's very good. It is so good. So this dish is done. Put it into a plate. So the Chinese tofu and the preserved duck eggs salad, this dish is done. 皮蛋豆腐, Chinese name called 皮蛋豆腐, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.